In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay AUB credit card bills using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what details to enter so your payment posts smoothly and on time. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection and enough balance or a funded source linked to your wallet to cover the amount you plan to pay, plus any small convenience fee that may apply. Once you're on the GCash home screen, tap Bills. This is the section where GCash organizes utilities, loans, and card payments so you can settle everything in one place. On the Bills page, choose Credit Card. This filters the list to banks and card issuers only, which makes it much faster to find what you need. From the options, select AUB Credit Cards. AUB stands for Asia United Bank, and picking this specific biller ensures your payment is routed to the right credit card system. Next, enter the amount you want to pay. You can settle the total amount due or pay the minimum, but it's always a good idea to match what's on your latest statement to avoid interest and late charges. Type the numbers carefully and watch out for extra zeros or missed digits. Now, enter your account number. This is the number AUB uses to identify your credit card. You can find it on your physical card or on your monthly statement. Enter it exactly as shown and avoid adding spaces or symbols unless the field formats it for you. Then enter the account name. Use the card holder's name exactly as it appears on your AUB account. Matching the name helps prevent posting delays and reduces the chance of your payment being held for verification. When everything looks good, tap Next. GCash will show a summary screen with all the details you've entered. Take a moment to review this carefully. The biller should read AUB credit cards, the amount should be correct, and the account number and account name should match your AUB records. A quick double check here can save you from headaches caused by typos or the wrong amount. If everything is accurate, tap Confirm. GCash will process your payment and display a confirmation page with a reference number. Save a screenshot or jot down the reference for your records. Your payment typically reflects after processing, which may take some time depending on clearing schedules and cut-off times. Paying a little earlier than your due date helps ensure it posts on time. And that's it. Your AUB credit card bill is paid using GCash quickly, securely, and without hassle.